Take a look at these ground reports filed by my colleague Sneha Mordani. She's been through the day tracking the situation in some of the worst affected parts where people are being evacuated right now. The Delhi government says, look, we're fully prepared. We will ensure minimum damage to life and property. But what's the situation on the ground? Take a look at this.
This is Delhi's popular Monastery Market, which has been completely shut down. As you can see, it's filled with water completely. Well, the authorities say that this isn't the fault of the government. This has got more to do with the fact that this Monastery Market is in fact located on the Zone O area, which is an area at the flood bank, which means construction of this market per se is illegal. It's been flagged off several times. It's on the floodplains and it is violative of various norms, various environmental norms, but this market continues to flourish. What is our fault, says the government, because if we are located on the floodplains, then flooding certainly is bound to happen. Historically, the Yamuna's flooding was a seasonal problem. It had a rhythm to it. Destructive, yes, it brought in destruction, but at least there was a seasonal pattern to this. That rhythm has now been disrupted. Thanks to rapid urbanization, our relationship with nature, the manner in which man is destroying nature, the misuse of floodplains, our drainage systems, overpopulation in areas from where the rivers really flow. All of this have really messed around with the seasonal rhythmic disruption of the river. And that's where the problem really has started. To add to it, climate change has worsened things for us over the last few years. This is the same place where I was standing yesterday. Things have changed drastically. To give our viewers an overview of how this area in the Yamuna Bazaar looks at this point in time, completely inundated in water. Someone like me was standing in the water yesterday and the water came up to my knee level. But if I were to do the same today right here in this water, I would drown. And this explains why everybody has abandoned their homes. The residents of the Yamuna Bazaar area are not at home at this point in time. They've been forced to leave their homes. These are proper houses that have been built at the banks of the river. This, of course, is an encroachment which the authorities say should have not been there to begin with. This is the Yamuna Bazaar area, which is in fact one of the worst affected areas in the national capital right now. A team of the NDRF is on standby to see if things get worse and if they need to step in and then help the people living in this area who've anyway been dislocated. Arrangements being made just in case the water then comes to the road. These sacks of sand would help them reduce the impact of the flow of the water. Washrooms have been set up, temporary setups like this for the people living in this area who have been completely displaced. Also, what you can see right now is that these temporary shelters have been set up. The people living here, they live in the Yamuna Bazaar embankment, and right now they are living in these temporary shelters that have been set up. कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं आप? क्या उस तरफ आप नदी के सामने रहते हैं?
जी मैम।
यहाँ टेंट पे आए हैं, कैसे सुविधा है?
सही है मैम, बढ़िया सुविधा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मैम।
ये सरकार की तरफ से बोला जा रहा है कि वहाँ पर लोगों को रहना ही नहीं चाहिए। हमने कई बार बोला है कि वहाँ पर रहे ना। आप क्या कहेंगे इस बारे में कि एंक्रोचमेंट है बोला है?
मैम और कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है हमारे पास, इसलिए यहाँ रह रहे हैं और कोई बात नहीं।
अगर आपको सरकार हेल्प करके दे और आपको अगर ऑल्टरनेटिव कोई जगह दे तो आप यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो हर साल की कहानी है, पानी ऊपर तक आता है।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी।
Okay, this is how people are getting inside their homes right now. Unless you do this, you'll not have an idea about how difficult and scary this is. This is really not funny. Imagine if I were to fall in this water. Well, I've already got a glimpse of how it feels on your feet. It's dirty, it's water from the washrooms, it's got urine, it's got stool, and then to deal with this, to do this, to get inside your homes. This is how people are living in the national capital. It's not just shocking, it's just so sad on how pathetic the situation really is for the people. If you have a rooftop, then you are alive and at least you are dry like these people. Most people living right below here don't even have that luxury. कैसे रह रहे हैं यहाँ पर? मैं तो देख रही हूँ इतना मुश्किल है घर के अंदर आना जाना। पता था आपको ये सारा पानी ऐसे भर जाएगा भैया?
जी, ये तो 2023 में भी ओवरफ्लो कर गया था ये दीवार जो है पूरा। फिर भी यहाँ पे मेन समस्या है बच्चों की है, आगे पीछे जगह नहीं है कहीं टेंट में, अब यहाँ मजबूरी में काटना पड़ रहा है, सामान भी है सारे।
टेंट बहुत सारा भर गया है क्या उस तरफ में?
है ही नहीं, 15-20 है, सैकड़ों। हर घाट में 22 लोग रहते हैं, मेंबर फैमिली रहती है। अब उसमें ये 20-22 टेंट मुश्किल से लगे हैं, 32 घाट हैं, कहाँ से क्या होगा।
सरकार से उम्मीद क्या है, ये थोड़ा बताएं कि आप चाहते हैं
अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं पता है, हमें कुछ नहीं पता कि सरकार क्या कर रही है। अब आगे भगवान जाने।
क्योंकि अगले 48 घंटे तक
इसी में बच्चे बीमार हो रहे हैं। हमारा अभी एक लड़का मेरा है, उसकी तबीयत खराब है, रात से ही लेके गए हैं डॉक्टर को दिखाने।
जी, इसे पानी वानी गंदा है इसलिए तबीयत खराब है।
सर्दी खांसी, हाँ घबराहट चक्कर बेचैनी उसको है।